Imagine a machine so large that it makes houses look like toys. A machine longer than 2 football fields, taller than many skyscrapers, and weighing more than 14,000 tons. At first glance, it almost looks fake. Yet this giant is very real, and for decades, it has been moving mountains of earth every single day. This is the Bagger 293, one of the largest land vehicles ever built by human beings. To understand why the Bagger 293 exists, we need to look at the challenge it was designed to solve. Modern mining operations require the removal of enormous amounts of soil and rock before valuable resources can be extracted. Using conventional excavators would take too much time and require hundreds of machines. Engineers needed something on an entirely different scale. Something capable of working continuously, day and night, while moving incredible amounts of material. The result was a machine unlike anything the world had ever seen. The Bagger 293 is truly difficult to comprehend. It measures approximately 225 meters, or 738 feet in length. Its height reaches nearly 100 meters, or 315 feet, and its total weight exceeds 14,000 tons. To put that into perspective, it weighs more than many naval warships. Standing next to it, a person appears almost invisible. Even construction vehicles look tiny by comparison. The machine is so large that simply moving it from one location to another becomes a major engineering project. At the heart of the Bagger 293 is its enormous bucket wheel. This rotating wheel is equipped with multiple buckets that continuously scoop up soil and rock. As the wheel turns, the material is transferred onto a system of conveyor belts. These belts move the material through the machine and eventually deposit it at designated locations. Unlike traditional excavators that operate in cycles, the Bagger 293 works continuously. This allows it to move astonishing amounts of earth with incredible efficiency. The entire system is powered electrically, requiring massive amounts of energy to keep operating. The numbers become even more impressive when we look at its productivity. The Bagger 293 can move hundreds of thousands of cubic meters of material in a single day. That's enough earth to fill dozens of Olympic swimming pools. Every hour, every minute, the machine relentlessly cuts through the landscape. Its bucket wheel slowly rotates while the enormous structure advances forward on giant crawler tracks. Despite its immense size, it is designed to move with surprising precision. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Bagger 293 is transportation. Because of its size and weight, it cannot simply be loaded onto trucks or trains. When relocation is necessary, the machine often moves under its own power. This process can take days or even weeks. Engineers must carefully plan every step. Roads may need reinforcement, obstacles must be removed, and the route has to be meticulously prepared. Moving the machine is almost as impressive as operating it. Although the Bagger 293 is a marvel of engineering, it still depends on human expertise. Operators, technicians, electricians, and engineers work together to keep it running safely. Maintaining a machine of this scale is a constant challenge. Every component must function perfectly. A single failure can lead to costly downtime. Yet thanks to careful planning and engineering excellence, the Bagger 293 has remained one of the most remarkable industrial machines ever created. The Bagger 293 is more than just a mining machine. It is proof of what humans can accomplish when faced with enormous challenges. Its size seems impossible. Its capabilities are astonishing. And even today, it remains one of the greatest engineering achievements ever built. The next time you see a massive construction project, remember this. Somewhere in the world, there may be a machine so large that it makes everything around it look small. And few machines represent that idea better than the legendary Bagger 293. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Titans of Engineering for more stories about giant machines, mega projects, and engineering marvels from around the world.